Well, welcome to Kolkata. Third phase of polling up in 2 days, and many firsts are happening as the excitement peaks over the elections. Let's take the first right away, and that is Buddhadev Bhattacharjee, former Chief Minister of West Bengal, today hit the campaign trail for the first time in Kolkata and entered his former erstwhile constituency, Jadavpur, which he lost in 2011. The sea of red, much excitement, not only among cadres, but also people standing and watching the red flags go by. Will there be a vote difference? That's something to watch out for. Here is what happened a little earlier in the day in Kolkata. Are you all right? Are you well? Are you feeling happy at this moment? What does the picture look like? Mr. Bhattacharya not saying much, but indicating that he is happy to be back on the streets with the red flags all around him. Mr. Bhattacharya has been missing from the political field for a long time, almost ever since 2011, when he lost not just his seat, Jadavpur, but also the government to Mamata Banerjee.
You know, I kind of thought to myself that the red flags once again in Calcutta was probably looking good, but with Buddhadev, it's probably looking better in Calcutta rather than what is happening right now in Calcutta.
It should make a difference because we can say the number of people here are, if they are allowed to give votes, yes, that will make a difference.
যে রোলিংয়ে থাকে সে রোলিংয়ে আবার আসবে, অন্তত 5 বছর, সেটা 5 বছর আছে, আরো 5-10 বছর থাকবে।
দিদিমণি,
হ্যাঁ,
বুদ্ধবাবু নেমে এলেন রাস্তায়।
ও নেমে এসছে, কি আসছে, ওরম নেমে এসছে, ওতে কোনো যায় আসে না।
উনি মোটামুটি দেশের দিকে অনেক কাজ করেছে, গ্রামের দিকে ভালোই কাজ করেছে, তো রাস্তাঘাট অনেক করেছে। আমরা গ্রামের মানুষ, তো সেই হিসেবে আমরা বলছি।
দিদিমণির কথা বলছি।
হ্যাঁ, দিদিমণির কথা বলছি।